how to host a Zoom meeting. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can host a Zoom meeting. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. How to host a Zoom meeting. Now, if you want to host a Zoom meeting, it's actually fairly quite simple for us to do so. Of course, making sure that you've already went ahead and then downloaded the Zoom application on your device. So once you've downloaded and logged into the Zoom app on Mac, Windows, whatever, right here you'll find the option called New Meeting in the orange icon. Just click on this new meeting and of course you can simply start creating your meeting. So you can choose to start with an audio or without the audio, with a video or without the video. And once then you can hit the start button and then you'll be able to begin your meeting. You can choose to invite people to this meeting through various ways. So you can see, I can see the participants. From the participants tab, I can choose to click this invite button. Then I'll find the invite link via email or I can send them an invite. Then I can copy the invite link and send this to other people and they'll be able to go ahead and then join this meeting. If I want to end it, I can just click on this end icon. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.